Hello everyone, today I'm sharing with you a simple delicious eggplant dish perfect with rice. It's nutritious, appetizing, and you'll want 2 extra bowls of rice. First, peel the eggplant skin. When choosing eggplants, pick tender ones. After peeling, cut the eggplant into rolling chunks. Once cut, put the pieces into a large bowl. Then add enough water to cover the eggplant. Add a little white vinegar and soak for 5 minutes to prevent oxidation and browning. Next, prepare 2 green chili peppers and cut them into rolling chunks. After cutting, place them on a plate for later use. Prepare a few cloves of garlic, crush them with a knife, and then chop them finely. Crushed garlic releases its aroma more easily. After chopping, put the garlic on a plate. Next, let's make the sauce. Add 1 spoonful of sweet bean paste to a bowl, then add 2 spoonfuls of light soy sauce. Add 1 spoonful of oyster sauce, a little salt, and 2 spoonfuls of sugar to enhance the flavor. Then add half a bowl of water. Stir it well until everything is dissolved, then set it aside for later. After 5 minutes, our eggplants have finished soaking. Take them out and drain off the excess water. Once the water is drained, put them into a large bowl, then add 2 spoonfuls of cornstarch. Use your hands to mix them well, making sure each piece of eggplant is coated with a thin layer of starch. Just like this is fine. Set aside for later. Add oil to the pan and heat. When oil reaches 60% hot, add eggplant. When frying eggplant, oil temperature must be high, and use high heat to fry. This way, eggplant won't absorb too much oil. After adding the eggplant, gently stir it with chopsticks so it heats evenly. Fry it for about 1 minute, until the surface of the eggplant turns golden like this. Then it's ready. Alright, take them out and let the oil drain off. Eggplant fried this way has a crispy surface and doesn't absorb oil at all. Leave a little oil in the pan, add minced garlic, and stir-fry it until fragrant. Once it's fragrant, pour in the prepared sauce, stir it well with a spatula, then turn up the heat to bring the sauce to a boil. Let the sauce cook until it thickens a bit. Then add the fried eggplant and the green peppers into the pan. Turn the heat to high and stir-fry everything, bringing out the aroma and wok hei, making sure the eggplant is evenly coated with the sauce. Alright, take it out of the pan and plate it up. A plate of vegetarian braised eggplant is ready. Eggplant cooked this way is crispy outside, tender inside, full of flavor, with rice, not greasy, and very easy to make. If you like it, save this recipe and try it. If you enjoy my videos, like, follow, comment, and share. Thank you for your support, and see you in the next video.